Hey guys, welcome back. It's Christian Random, and I was at the range like a week ago. So I have a bunch of bullets, hint right here, a ton of bullets, some destroyed, and then I have also a ton. Is this one of the bullets? That's just a rock? Also, I have a ton of shells, brass and steel. So I'll be going over small to biggest shells. Well, what I think it is. So like shortness. So first, start small. 22 long rifle. Tiny, teeny, tiny round. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 mils. One of them is steel. 4 of them is copper. I figure out how to hold these. See, 4 of them is copper, and one of these say 9 mil. Can't remember which one. I think. Hold on, guys. This one says it, but I can barely even read it. So, 9 mils, steel case. I don't know. I don't think they're as nice as brass, but. And then I have, put these over here. And I have 45 ACP. Make sure you watch the Demolition Ranch 9mm guys versus 45 ACP guys. It is hilarious. Especially what the 45 ACP guy says. So, one of those. 45 ACP. I actually have 2 45 ACPs. That didn't work. And then next, I have a steel casing, 300 blackout, and a brass casing, 300 blackout, which is my brother's. And so, and the next I have, now I have, see, I didn't really organize this. Okay, so that and that. So next I have 2 steel casing. I like the look of steel casing, but they're just not as nice quality. Anyway, but 2 5.56 223 ammo. So I believe 300 blackout is the same. It's 7.62 by 39, and then I have a 6.5 Creedmoor, tiny round, huge amount of powder. Look at that. That actually looks funny. So that's one. And then this is a 308 Winchester, 300 blackout width, like the same size bullet, just a lot more powder, a lot more kick. I barely like shooting one of these. I wouldn't even be able to shoot one of these. 308 Winchester. I believe this is a 7.62 by 54 or 51, something around there. So leave in the comments below what the exact sizing of these 3 rounds are. 300 blackout, 5.56, no, not 5.56, 223, and 308 Winchester. So now let's move on to the bullets. I know I have 9 mil and 45 ACP bullets. Which one will go which? And I have a couple copper coated, I think they are. Are these copper coated?
Full metal jacket.
Full metal jackets. And a couple normal ones. You can tell the difference. Full metal jackets stay together. And so this is a 9mm. Well, it's a little bit squished, but otherwise it'd fit in here. And I think this is the 9mm. It's kind of a full metal jacket, but it's also kind of the full metal jacket wore off, so now it's kind of ugly. That's definitely a 9mm. And I'm gonna get all the ones that I have no idea what they are. These. So this, I think it is a 45 ACP, but I think what happened was it went full metal jacket, obviously, and don't know, is that Full Metal Jacket? I think so. It went and it like turned around in its flight and hit this way, kind of. Or something like that. And these are not Full Metal Jacket, these are just normal bullets. Destroyed to smithereens. This, I think, is a 45 ACP. Full Metal Jacket. Actually, is that a 45 ACP? Looks like it must have been flying pretty hard, but I think it is. It's a little bit bigger, but that's because it can't, like, spread. And, so, it's 45 ACP. That's the 9mm I already went over. And this thing is a Full Metal, it's not, I don't know what you'd call that. It's like a Full Metal Jacket, but the back isn't covered. Like, you can see this one is Full Metal Jacket, but the whole thing is covered. This is a Full Metal Jacket. What would this be called?
I think it's still a Full Metal Jacket.
It's still a Full Metal Jacket, he says.
FMJ.
So, that's a 45 ACP Full Metal Jacket. Most of these are probably 45 ACP. Definitely this one is 45 ACP. So, and this one is too. And I have no idea what this is. I know it's a bullet though. So next, definitely 45 ACP. I think 9mm. No, 45 ACP. Yeah, that's a 45 ACP. It's a 45 ACP right here. And this thing, another Full Metal Jacket. It's too. Yeah, it's definitely a 45 ACP. That one must have went and it went. So this is a complete Full Metal Jacket. It's a 45 ACP, I think, but it's a little too small. So is it a 9mm? No, leave in the comments below what you think this is. It's a little bit bigger than a 9mm, a little bit smaller than a 45 ACP, I think. And so this is our last one. 45 ACP, definitely. Oh, that one. Leave in the comments below what you think that one is. 45 ACP. Too small for 45 ACP. Too big for a 9mm. Leave in the comments below what you think that is. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Oh, I just got hit in the head with a 45 ACP.